Check out this 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E550 convertible with low miles for its age and a full dealer service history, including 29 service records. It comes with current Georgia state emissions and is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage. Plus, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price at the time of sale. Want even more peace of mind? Ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. We encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure you're making a confident decision. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty, so act quickly to keep those benefits intact. This 2011 Mercedes-Benz E550 convertible is luxury and performance in one amazing package. Don't miss out, come see it today.